I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean workspace and washing your hands. This prevents contamination. Once done, confirm the Aqualens solution is unexpired and intended for your lens type, and open it near the sink. You then remove one lens and place it palm up on your index finger. Make sure to avoid touching the tip of the bottle to the lens or case. At this early stage, you establish hygiene and readiness so the next steps proceed safely and efficiently. You now perform the core cleaning. Squeeze 3-4 drops of Aqualens solution onto your lens and rub gently in the palm for 10 to 20 seconds on each side. This physically removes deposits. Next, rinse the lens thoroughly with fresh solution to wash away loosened debris. Place the lens in its case and fill each well with at least 2 to 3 ml of solution so the lens is fully submerged, and then repeat for the other lens before sealing the case. You finish by sealing the case and leaving it undisturbed for the manufacturer's recommended disinfection period. Timing matters for efficacy. Once the soak is complete, remove the lenses with clean hands and insert them as directed. Make sure to discard any leftover solution after each use. Do not top off or reuse it. If you experience persistent redness, pain, or blurred vision, stop using the lenses immediately and contact your eye care professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.